So today is Thursday, 19th of February, another session of London. So yeah, let's see what we can catch. So first, let's check out our indicator. Pretty valid levels. I'm happy to see that. Trend-wise, bigger trend is down. Other trends, like it's going up. Yep, that's correct. In here, let's see. Yep, same case. So let's start with Euro USD. So we had some huge drop, and now we want slightly going upwards. Also, what I have been noticed, I think Sabrina, you're trading earlier as well, that earlier actually there's a lot of good opportunities. So in here, around like, I don't know, 1 hour ago, there was nice order block tap and we went forward. We have some level here, but I wouldn't say that this will be our some magical level. So I don't mark this one out, but here everything tapped. What I do mark out is this 50-minute order block. If we tap in here, I definitely would like to see some reaction. GBP/USD, we swept daily low. That's really good. Now we are basically whole way we can go upwards from here. So where is our next order block? Is in here. In here actually we can mark this out as well. I'm not quite sure that we could reach that far back, but taps in here and here would be nice. Now here we have some order block. Yeah, like just in case I would make this whole as order block here as well. So those are pretty much what we are watching. Those on the left side, I would go with the trend. I wouldn't, if we tap in here, I don't want to look for sells because like recent trend is clearly up. So I want to trade with the trend. When we make some market structure shift here, then yes, on 50-minute, 50-minute market structure shift, then yes. But so far I see that we're just climbing higher, and I don't see any reason why we should just in here, break this uptrend and going lower. So let me make quick screenshot. Let me post it as well. Yeah. How are you all? What's the results so far? Do you also have 100% win rate? No, not 100% win rate, but 100% days wind this month. Or you have different results? So far, actually, as for overall, I don't know, last 6 months, it has been like really good results, to be honest, like really good. But now as I backtest it more and more, I see that it's actually, just a really good strategy. So that's why we have those results. Yeah, let me post it as well. Yeah, so yeah, yesterday no trades, but Let's check out yesterday actually as well, because we are. Ooh, I see already what happened. So exactly what I thought it happened, it just happened later. We tap in here and we hit our target, main target. Beautiful. With US30, beautiful. Whoever took it, what was the time? Yeah, it was like not inside London session, but inside overall trading hours. So I guess there is some people who took it, so congrats. That was nice trade from up there to down there. And why this was a good trade, exactly the same reasons why I would look for buys today, because you see the recent flow is going down. We have clear target in here. Actually, we have clear targets, I don't know, up here for example as well. So we have clear like external targets or like overall targets where we want to see. So that was clear first target. Here was clear you know reason for looking for entries. It tapped in here as usual, wicked out a little bit. That's why we use now 10 pip stop loss with the USD to prevent those losses. So I'm quite sure there was some setup, there was some nice trade entry, and you can basically run whole way down. Let's actually check 1 minute as well. Let's check out what's going on in 1 minute. So here we tapped. I would look for 50% entries. So here we broke the structure. So let's put Fibonacci in here, 50% right here. Sell position would be entered right here. Exact reason why we use 10 pips, because we would have been swept out slightly again. I don't know, I just love when everything makes perfect sense. When you look your losses, you learn from them, and then you will not repair, but basically make just everything better. So first take profit would be 5 pips, which were hit right here. Final target would have been 30 pips. So total 35 pips. Whoever took it, congrats. That should be like, if you reach 2% overall, that should be 3% trade. Perfect. That's just like a best case scenario, what I would like to see every day. Just that one move, what we try to catch. That's it. You can see you don't need much more. That was just really beautiful move. Everything happened. Just I tried to catch it within our time scale. So that was the reason. But I know that, like I said, some of you trading afterwards as well, and the strategy is still working there. So beautiful. Tapped in here, gave us some reaction. I wouldn't enter buy. I will show you why as well, because you see the whole momentum, like when we backtested order blocks, then you saw that momentum is crucial as well, and whole momentum is going down. So yeah, I wouldn't look for buys here. So whole momentum going down. Actually, after this, I wouldn't want to catch any trades anymore. Just that was the move of the day. That's it. If you catch it, really good. Just leave it alone. You don't need to overtrade. Let's check out what GBPUSD was doing. So yeah, basically nothing. So I just marked this out, but I also said during the live session that this is not like the main target. So if for some reason we still have this alert in here. If for some reason we would have tap in here and sell entry, then maybe this would be our first target. But final target hit it perfectly. Yeah, was there any kind of trades? Actually no, only yeah, that was like in the middle of nowhere, but maybe okay, that was double bottom. So maybe here was some tap. Let's just play with it. Let's just see in theory what we could have. And we have some order block tap in here as well. Let's go to the 1 minute. Let's see what we had in there potentially. So on 1 minute we hit it. We didn't catch 50% entry here. We hit that. We from here to here. Oh, sorry, wrong thing. That's not clean. That's not clean at all. So EURUSD's example was way better, but here was some kind of market structure shift. We broke it. We tapped into the 50%. We would go in entry here, take profit 7.5 pips. It is you like already next order block. I would let the runner, but of course stop loss to break even. Let's see if we could catch the sell as well. Not the best case scenario because momentum was upwards and we didn't quite, we had just this double bottom, but we didn't quite broke it or like get some momentum shift. But just in theory, let's see. Here we didn't broke the structure. Here. Okay, we slightly broke the structure here. So let me first give you this. So not like some crazy break of structure, but there was something. Maybe that one was better. I would probably go in as fast as possible. So from here to here, let's drag our Fibonacci. Here would be already entry. So I would already enter here. Stop loss. Actually, that time even 7 pips would have held it. But just in case, you can see that there is some, breaks. So just in case, it was 15 pips. 7.5 pips would be first target. Almost hit that here, but didn't quite hit. So 7.5 pips, and the final target would be in here. What was it? 28 pips. Perfect place. Like, okay, GBPUSD, this wasn't a perfect play because there was like no significant reason to get reversal from here. But just as of overall, this system working like really well. So I'm glad to see that. Yeah, nice, really nice to see it. So let's go back to the 15-minute. 15-minute. Let's see, we have our levels. I don't know, during our session probably we are not hitting them. I will just in case put some alerts in here. And in here as well. GBPUSD, same thing. I really hope that we will catch those trades because it's looking like momentum is really nicely up. Also, one thing, I'm not sure, like today is our economic calendar shows that unemployment claims. So yeah, there is there might be some crazy movement during pre-New York session, but probably till then we already have at least our break-evens. If you are in the trade, just keep in mind that red news today, USD news. So yeah, keep that in mind. Here as well, like daily, this red line is daily, previous day low sweep. That's also like perfect, working so perfectly. I didn't know that EURUSD has those ICT concept plays in there. So I'm not really huge believer in ICT or ICT concept, but here it clearly shows like time to time that this like previous day high or low, it's nice like sweep and then we reverse, and that has happened actually. Now, target wise, I won't get entries from here, but this could be our final target. In here, the same thing, this could be our final target. So if we catch the trade, I would let it run like really till really high. So let's see. If we catch the trade, I really hope that we catch. If no, that's okay as well. It's just, it's really good to see. I have switched from like really scalping, like it's kind of like day trading slash scalping right now what we're doing still, but I have switched from heavy scalping to really like more position trades, like day trade, position trade. So I want to see, for example, today I believe that we're going higher. I just want to catch a good entry and go with the trend, or like with my daily bias, let's put it that way. So when I traded with like real scalping, when I don't know, I had like sometimes 8 trades per day. Then there was a lot of losses, wins all together, like drawdown periods and so on. With this kind of style, a lot less trades, but like also really good, win rate, really clean trades, as I showed you based on this yesterday's example. Just you can catch really clean trade. That's like perfect case scenario. I think that's where you should aim to be as well. Of course, I know that some of you are scalpers, like Sabrina probably will be a scalper as well. So it depends. Overall, I'm also kind of scalper. I like to scalp, but I just see that when accounts are growing, it's just way easier, yeah, and stress-free to just position trade more, like day trade, position trade. That's just great. Yeah, let's see. I think we don't have any trades right now during this session. In around 25 minutes, we will get this, backtesting session. So under voice channel, so you can participate there as well, and you can talk in there and ask questions. I will show you exactly why I chose this 50% entry model. It's working like a charm. Today we are backtesting 2024 September. So this is historically the worst month you can have. So let's see if we could, get ourselves profitable even in September. Yeah, you would check those trades over and over. Yeah, that was actually that was like recently my issue as well. Why I would why am I scalper, because I would just like to go in, get my take profit, stop loss, that's it. Like within minutes I would be happy with that. Even if there is losses, I would be happy. I 2 years ago I just knew what I want to see. If there is 2 losses per day, that's it. I'm like, I get 2 losses, I'm out. And yeah, if there's wins, I just enter and take profit. So yeah, back then it was that way. It's pretty stress-free on one way, because you just enter and you can catch take profit or stop loss really fast. But with this case, also what I started doing was I closed my PNL. Like I knew when I lost 2 times, so I knew when I want to just quit for the day. Yeah, I just closed PNL, and yeah, that wise it didn't affect me at all. So for example, I don't know, just let's take example 2 years ago. Let's say I had a Monday minus 2%, Tuesday plus 2, Thursday minus 4, max loss. So I was down overall, or let's say Wednesday minus 4, Thursday minus 2, really bad week. So I was basically every single day down, let's say. But if I didn't see my PNL, then usually Friday was like plus 10% day, and I made everything back plus some more. if I would check PNL all the time, on Friday I would trade way different way. But when I just knew my rules, like I will enter when this happens, I will enter when that happens. I don't trade anymore when I get 2 losses. Like I just trade based on the system, and usually it was really like that. Average weekly. I think there was like, I don't know, 2024. There was literally, I guess, like 4 or 5 negative weeks. I think that was because I didn't watch PNL. So if it was Friday, I was down like 6% for the week. I traded exactly the same way as I supposed to trade. And also, I think that was my thing why I get those really good results. I just didn't focus on PNL. That was also the thing what I needed to deal with the most, because it of course affects you at all. Like, and also back then there was like, I had huge percentage returns. Now I have just like bigger accounts. I don't aim that much anymore. But back then I just like, doubling my account all the time. And that was also like, when you double account, you double your like lot size, and you double your loss as well. And when you see that, oh shit, like, a few months ago, that was my, let's say, monthly dream earning, is now my one like trade stop loss. So yeah, that way it kind of messed my head. But I think you should just, I think every person is different, but for me what helped, I just closed PNL. Like I just tried to be as a robot, just trade like I would trade in every way. Afterwards, also why I think journaling is really good tool. When you afterwards see your trades, for example, let's say that I took this trade. If I afterwards see, also let's just, I don't know, for example, let's say I took this trade in here as well, and yeah, got the stop loss. So in here I entered, I got the stop loss. So afterwards, if I see in journal that, okay, as a trade, what was there? Order block checked, time wise checked, entry model checked, every reason to go in, perfect trade. Even if it was a loss, perfect trade. Here the same thing, order block checked, entry model checked, time wise here is not checked, but let's just assume that it was my trading time. Let's say it checked, everything as it's supposed to be. So that's what really matters, that you trade as you're supposed to trade. And yeah, that's actually, I think, the most important thing for trading. You should just follow your plan. You should like backtest, know your model, your entry, your reason for entries, your reasons to not enter. Because I saw that someone entered here yesterday. Like I said, it depends on your model, but I just know that I need to trade with momentum, because was it last week or 2 weeks ago, I showed you during backtesting session that momentum is always like improving win rate. So I trade with momentum here. If I would enter here, even if I would catch take profit, it's still not a valid trade for me, because momentum wasn't there, full target already reached. I don't see any market structure shifts here as well, so there is no reason to enter. I don't know, for example, in here, if I would enter now here with this order block, let's assume that it was our session, market structure has shifted. You can see that this huge downtrend has ended. We shifted the market structure. Let's assume that this was our order block, here was our entry, everything correct. Now I have reasons to enter longs, but for sure not here. So that will be the thing. Yeah, okay, session already over. In 15 minutes we will see you in the voice chat. I will show you about this new entry model. I think you will be amazed. You will get a lot of good points. So yeah, see you in 50 minutes. And also today there will be no New York session. We get brand new car, so we need to get it from the factory. So yeah, we will see you in 15 minutes. Have a nice day, everyone, and see you tomorrow then. Bye bye.